Hello mga students, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Okay, kung nasaan man kayo sa ngayon, I hope kayo ay nasa mabuting kalagayan at ready kayo pag-aralan ang topic na ito. Okay, so meron tayong bagong pag-uusapan sa ngayon and this is all about income earners. Okay, i-compare lang natin ano yung pure compensation income earners versus sa mga pure business earners at saka yung mga mixed income earners. Okay, so yun lang ang ating pag-uusapan sa ngayon. Now, just a recap sa mga previous episodes natin or previous video lectures, pinag-usapan kasi natin yung classification of taxpayers and then yung mga sources of income and types of income. And if you can remember meron tayong pinag-usapan ng mga ordinary income which is subject doon sa ating graduated tax rate. Now, these are the following. Okay, you have your compensation income, you have your business income, meron tayo ng income from the practice of our profession, and then yung income from the sale and or dealings of properties and other miscellaneous types of income, and passive income other than those subject to final taxes, and then the capital gains tax. Okay? So bakit natin ito nire-recap? Because meron na naman itong kinalaman. So syempre meron laging connection yung mga topics na pinag-uusapan natin. Okay, so papaano at ano yung connection nila? Let's talk about this one, yung compensation income. Isa sa mga types ng ordinary or regular income is yung compensation income. Okay, naka-open and close parenthesis, salaries or wages, pero it talks more than that. Hindi lamang po yung mga sahod. There are other benefits na natatanggap ng isang empleyado na hindi natatanggap in the form of money. So may mga non-monetary benefits pa yan. Okay, now when we are talking of compensation income, ito ay income na kinikita natin from compensation. At marami dito ang makaka-relate, especially kung hindi ka estudyante at nanonood ka ng aking video lecture. Okay, because these are income from the employment, from your employment or from compensation. Okay, ibig sabihin, meron kasi tayong tinatawag na employer-employee relationship. Nagkaroon tayo bilang mga employee at yung ating pinag-agrihan na pasukan, tinatawag natin ng mga employer, meron tayong tinatawag na employment contract. So there exists an employer-employee relationship. Na kapag meron tayo nitong relationship na ito, which is evidenced by your employment contract, okay, ang sinasahod mo dyan, ang kinikita mo dyan is called compensation income. Okay, wala nang iba. Yun lamang po yun. Now, kapag sinabi kasi natin na pure compensation income earners, these are individuals o itong mga employee na ito na kung saan kumikita from this type of income. Okay? So, ang tawag natin dyan, pure compensation income earners. Wala na siyang other source of income maliban dito sa kanyang trabaho. So that in the event na worst case scenario, mawala siya or mawalan siya ng trabaho, matanggal siya sa trabaho, wala siyang ibang source of income, wala siyang pagkakabuhayan or pagkakakitaan. Okay? So, I hope naintindihan ninyo kung anong ibig sabihin nitong pure compensation income earners. Okay? Kaya siya tinawag na pure o puro. Doon lamang siya humuhugot ng kanyang pangkabuhayan. Okay? Ng kanyang pera. Now, sa train law kasi, sa RA 10963, meron tayong tinatawag na self-employed and professionals or yung SEP. At according sa train law, ang sinasabi natin na self-employed ay either isang sole proprietor or an independent contractor who reports income earned from self-employment. Okay? Self-employed pinapatrabaho niya yung kanyang sarili. Okay? 'Di ba? Sa accounting 101, okay? Or sa iyong basic accounting, meron tayong types of organizations, 'di ba? According to ownership. So that pag sinabi nating sole proprietor, isa kang entrepreneur, meron kang tindahan, meron kang negosyo, ikaw lang yung nagmamay-ari. Wala nang iba. So you are a sole proprietor. Okay? So it follows that you are a self-employed individual. Now, independent contractor din, ano? Pag sinabi nating independent contractor, wala din itong employer-employee relationship. So, you are independent and you contract, usually mga services ito, na binibigay ano, doon sa mga third parties, sa mga ibang parties, ano, sa mga customers nitong contractor na ito. So, they are considered as self-employed. What else? Pangalawa, ano, meron tayo ditong professional. A professional whose income is derived purely from the practice of profession and not under an employer-employee relationship. So meron pang mga professionals na kumikita ano from the practice of profession. Kasi going back doon sa ating ano types of ordinary income, that is number 3. Okay? So you are considered as a self-employed professional. Okay? Kasi it is under a professional is under this category. Another one is he or she controls who he or she works for, how the work is done, and when it is done. Okay, kapag ikaw kasi ay isang empleyado, so it is the company, ano, the organization who controls how the work should be performed and when should the output be submitted, yung mga deliverables. Unlike kapag ikaw ay self-employed, ikaw yung nagko-control. Okay, sa mga circumstances, sa mga circumstances. Kung sino yung pagbibigyan mo ng trabaho, ano, kung kanino ka makikipag-transact, okay, kung kailan mo ito ibibigay at papaanong paraan mo ito ibibigay sa iyong mga customers. Okay, now, kapag sinabi kasi nating professional, going back dito sa pangalawang bullet, ano, okay, these are persons or individuals formally. Take note of the term formally. Okay, and certified by a professional body belonging to a specific profession. Ano-ano ito? So kagaya ko ano, isa akong certified public accountant, isa akong professional. Yung mga lawyers, yung mga engineers, yung mga doctors, they are professionals because there is a certifying body ano na nagbibigay sa kanila ng lisensya and because there is a specific profession. So that is the difference. Okay, by virtue of having completed a required course of studies and or practice whose competence can usually be measured against an established set of standards. So yun yung tinutukoy natin na professional. And mind you, ano, a professional is also referred to a person na nag-engage in some art, okay, or sport for money. So yung ating mga ano 'no, mga kababayan ano na into art, into sports, okay, mga national players natin na nagko-compete outside of the country, Olympics ano, and other international or national competition for sports or for arts, they are considered a professional because that is their means of livelihood. That is their main source of living. Okay? And not just as a hobby. Okay, so they are also considered as professional. Now, why I am referring to this self-employed and professional? Because income derived from self-employment is considered as income derived from the conduct of trade or business. Okay, hence classified as regular or ordinary income. So dito sila magfo-fall sa number 2 and number 3. And dito na pumapasok yung tinatawag natin na pure business income earners kung wala naman ng ibang source of income other than this. Okay? From the practice of profession or from your business. So, ito yung isa nating category ng income earner. Now, a taxpayer is considered as mixed income earner. Ibig sabihin ng mixed halo, kung sakali na kumikita ka from employment, no, and self-employment. Ano ibig ko sabihin? Kung ikaw ay nagtatrabaho, sige, ikaw ay isang empleyado ng isang specific na company. And then pag uwi mo sa bahay, meron kang negosyo, meron kang sideline, meron kang online selling. Okay, meron kayong business, may coffee shop kayo, may milk tea shop kayo, at kung ano-ano pa man ano, na klase ng negosyo. So ang tawag sa'yo, mixed income earners. So etong mga category kasi na ito, kailangan natin ito, especially in computing and or in determining the manner of computing the taxable income and the tax due. Okay? So it will be illustrated further sa mga susunod natin ng mga video lectures. Para lang ma-visualize ninyo, kung ikaw ay isang pure compensation income earner, yung gross taxable income mo, net of exclusions. Meron ako mga nilagay dito ng mga asterisk, ano? Yung net of exclusions, yung tinatawag natin na exclusions, ipapaliwanag ko ito sa mga susunod na video lecture. And yung gross taxable income, under the train law kasi, wala tayong mga deduction na allowed for pure compensation income. Okay? Now, hindi ko na po ipapaliwanag sa inyo anong pinagkaiba ng train law sa previous application, nung wala pa yung train law. Okay? Kasi especially in the coming years, kung ikaw man ay isang accounting student na magte-take ng board, so maybe in few years from now, hindi na nila isasama sa mga board exam yung pagko-compare. Kung ito yung ginamit, ano yung approach, no? So, ang aking objective lang dito is yung train law na mismo, yung applicability ng train law sa ating mga topic sa income taxation. Okay? But don't worry, kahit doon sa mga hindi naman magte-take ng board o sa mga business administration students na merong subject na income taxation, this is for appreciation of the topic. Maaaring sa iba, hindi ito ganun ka-relevant, minor subject lang ito, but you will be using this one kapag graduate ka na, either nagtrabaho ka as an employee or nagtayo ka ng sarili mong negosyo. Okay? Pure compensation income earner, yung tax due ay nakabase doon sa gross taxable income. Samantalang kapag ikaw naman ay isang pure business income earner, ito yung magiging format mo. Meron kang mga gross sales or receipts coming from the service or yung mga pagbebenta ng mga kung ano-ano, no? Ibawas natin yung cost of sales or the cost of direct services, the costs incurred in bringing or in selling your product or in providing your service. Pag binawas natin yung cost of services or cost of sales sa yung gross sales or gross receipts, meron tayong tinatawag na gross business or gross professional income. Tapos, meron pa tayong ibabawas ng mga allowable business expenses para tayo dumating doon sa tinatawag natin na taxable net income na magiging basis in computing for the tax due. Okay? So, kaya kailangan din nating malaman ano yung difference kung ikaw ay pure compensation income earner or pure business income earner. Samantalang pag ikaw ay mixed income earner, edi pagsasamahin natin yan. Okay, etong nasa babang side, ito yung sa pure business income earner. Parang pinikap natin ito, tapos inad natin yung doon sa pure compensation income earner. So pinagsama lang natin. Kaya nga ito mixed income earner. Okay? For us to arrive at the total taxable net income. Okay, pero yung computation aspect, we will leave it on a later video lecture. Okay? Para at least nasakop na natin yung mga theoretical aspect and later on pag-usapan natin yung computational side. Okay? So hanggang dito muna yung ating discussion on the income earners. Okay, I hope meron kayong naintindihan. Kung meron kayong questions, huwag kayong mahihiyang magtanong or you can leave a comment dito sa aking video lecture na ina-upload ko sa aking YouTube channel. So until then, bye-bye.